welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video I have got something special for you guys. It is this Bluetooth speaker, which is the MI compact Bluetooth speaker 2. It is really a compact one, and you can't believe the audio from this speaker, guys. There is a Mi banding over here, and I forgot to do the unboxing, but then I have the review video here for you guys. And it's made in China, a Bluetooth speaker with a single switch, which is the power on button. For first, let's power it on and let's check out the audio from this. So to turn it on, you just have to hold the power button, and let's hold the power button.
Power on.
And there is a blue LED over here, and you guys heard the power on sound from the speaker. And then now let's pair it with the device. For that, we will have to first turn this device on, and then go to the Bluetooth settings, open up the Bluetooth settings, and it's telling pairing. And here is the device, that is Mi BT181, and click on pairing, and then it is connecting, and it's connected, guys. And now when it's connected, I am not using my mobile to connect this because my mobile is on the record, and I use my mobile as a camera. So for now, let's open up the channel. And if you guys have watched the recent video, that is the video that was published today, and let me just connect to the internet, and then the internet is connected. And now let's come back. Let me just open up Technoxity here. Let me just open up Technoxity. It's over here, search result. Let me just open that up, and here is the video how to download PUBG PC Lite. If you guys have not watched the video yet, just go ahead and watch it, guys. And for now, let's hear the audio from this. Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed. This is the maximum volume you can reach from this mobile, guys. When I connect it through my mobile, my mobile, the audio is very loud. But then let's try increasing the volume in this. The switches in this device are like messed up. So let's try. Yeah, now it's on max volume. Without wasting any time, let's get started and let's head towards the video. So guys, in today's video, what we are going to do is this is about the sound, guys. And talking about the price, actually this was gifted to me by a subscriber, and I contacted him before making this video, and he told it was like around some $700, and you can just Google it out, the company. Okay, let's try the now itself in the video. What is the name? It is a Mi compact Bluetooth speaker 2. So let's check that out, and you can just see here, Mi compact Bluetooth speaker 2. So let's search for that, Mi compact Bluetooth speaker 2. Let's search for that, and let's check out the price. And it is $799, guys. As you can see, both on Amazon as well as the official Mi website. It's $799. You guys can go ahead, check it out, and I don't think so you guys need a link to it in the description. Just go ahead, buy the product, enjoy it, and I can guarantee you with the audio quality, guys, it's like awesome. It's just awesome, guys. And make sure to subscribe, and make sure to like this video, guys. It takes a lot of effort making videos, and make sure you give a nice comment from the video if you guys like any part from the video, or if you want to give some improvement tip, like you have some suggestion, just post them in the comments. I like to read your comments, and like to hear from my subscribers. And thanks for watching me to the next one. Until then, goodbye.